friends! While at a meeting the other morning, I noticed that the teacher's laptop in front of me was only using a little bit of the screen. On both the left and the right side, there were big black spaces that weren't being used, and what she was using on the computer was right in the middle of the screen. This used to happen to me a lot when I would connect wirelessly to a projector or when I used a cable to hook up to the projector. This quick tutorial will show you how to change the screen resolution so that you can use your whole screen. The first step is to click on the little window in the lower left-hand corner of your screen, and then scroll to Settings. Once you get there, click on it. Then click on System. It should automatically open up to Display, but if not, you just come over here and click it. And then you're going to go to Resolution, click the down arrow, and make sure that it's on 1366 by 768, recommended. And then click Keep Changes. Now your workspace should be your entire screen. I hope this helps, and remember, if you have any questions or ideas for a tutorial, please feel free to reach out to any member of the technology committee. Thanks.